What's up guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Chef Juju once again from Eustis, Florida. So today we're here in Reiniger's Flea Market here in Mount Dora, Florida, USA. So now we're here for looking for something, looking to buy something. So let's check it out what is going on here. So there's a lot of stuff. Ayan guys, nandito tayo ngayon sa, ayan, may mga iba-ibang pins.
Oh, okay.
Ayan guys, nandito tayo ngayon sa Mount Dora, Florida, USA. Ito yung tinatawag nilang flea market dito sa Mount Dora. Reiniger's Flea Market. They open at Saturday and Sunday, 8 o'clock up in the morning up to 4 o'clock in the afternoon. So yun ang mga tindero guys. Tinan mo naman yung mga service nila. Nagtitinda lang sila ng mga ganyan-ganyan. Pero tinan mo yung kanila. Tirahan na nila yan guys. Yeah. Kaya may iba-iba ditong mga sunglasses. Ayan ang halaga niya. Oh. $8. 2 for $15. Ang ganda nito. Oh. So nga lang meron na ako eh. So we're here to ayan. Ayan, pakita ko sa inyo yung mga kwan, mga tinitinda dito. Mga iba-ibang gamit. Yung iba dito guys, yung mga second hand. So nabibili mo lang ng mura. Kaya gaya nito, may lumang lumang sewing machine. Ayan guys. Mga tools. Ayan.
Come on, people, it's all for sale. Get your hands dirty. Dig in.
Ayan. Yung mga nagtitinda guys, tinan mo naman ang mga service nila. Oh. Mga F-150 na fold. Ayan guys. Oh. Magtitinda lang ng mga gayitong mga second hand. Mga used. Ayan guys. So ang daming tao ngayon dahil weekend, so Saturday morning. So ang ganda nito. Ayan. Ayan, meron din dito military. Ayan, individual ship. ISS Midway.
Okay, so and so you guys have a heated discussion. You said, I'm gonna tell you that. Good. Good. Awesome.
So yung mga karamihan na pumupunta dito guys, yung mga retired na tao. Kaya malapit na tayong mag-retired. 12 years pa bago mag-early retirement at 62 years old. Pag early retirement dito, 62 years old. So pwede ka nang mag-retire, makuha mo na yung mga benefits mo, social security. Tapos yung pension mo, yung 401k, yung tinatawag na yun ang iniipon mo sa employer mo. Binabawas yun every payday. So balik tayo guys, punta tayo sa kabila. Ayan, ito lang buhay dito sa Amerika. Ayan.
Dress.
Oh, really?
Yan yung mga mahihilig magkulik ng mga antiques. Ayan, mga antique na mga gamit-gamit dito. Yung mga damit na used. Yan, $1 lang isa. Yan. Yan guys.
How you doing, dear?
Alright, thank you. Have a good day. Ayan, kung mahilig kang magkulik-kulik ng mga items, ayan. Ito pang gamit sa kusina.
Get your head out of there. A little bit.
Yan, merong ano dyan, oh. Hot water,
She was very cute.
food and hot water.
Yeah, she was just what you want, mid-size.
Yan, may gitara.
Yeah, I got those two dogs.
Alright. So this is it, guys.
Box, you want to put everything in a box and carry
Thank you for watching my YouTube channel. This is Chef Jojo once again. If you are not connected to me, to my channel, please subscribe my YouTube channel, Chef Jojo. This is Chef Jojo once again from Florida, USA. Alright. So where's my parking lot? Ayan, yun ang mahirap ngayon yung pag-uwi na. Ayan, uwi na tayo guys. Tapos na yung ating vlog. Thank you guys for watching my YouTube channel. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye.